Madeline Moritsch. Thank you, Madeline.
All right. Thank you, Miriam. And we are so grateful that everyone is joining us today. We believe that all education staff play an important role in creating this culture of wellness. And I know we probably have a variety of folks on the call today, and I would love to learn what role you play in your school, in your district, or your education agency. So where are you coming from? And go ahead and put that in the chat and introduce yourself. And while you are doing that, I'll go ahead and introduce myself. So I am Madeline Moritsch. I am a National Advisor of Whole Child Health with the Alliance for a Healthier Generation. I am a registered dietitian nutritionist by trade and have been working in or around the school environment for over a decade now. And I've worked on kind of the gambit of things, ranging from child nutrition programs and local wellness policies to social emotional health and staff well-being. So I'm seeing a few things coming in. Wonderful. Oh, a Pennsylvania school. Wonderful. We also have LBUSD, PE specialist, Head Start. Absolutely. Some Department of Ed staff. Love to see it. We have Lenox School District, County Office of Eds. Great. So as you can see, we kind of have a hodgepodge of people and roles and where they are coming from, both geographically and in their own position. So great to see everyone. And I'm hoping as we have kind of this diverse group on the call today, we can see how we all can play a role in creating that culture of wellness at our school or district or agency or department. So today we're going to be talking about how to create a culture of wellness using the whole school, whole community, whole child model, or the WSC model. And at Alliance for a Healthier Generation, our goal is to ensure that every mind, every body, and every young person is healthy and ready to succeed. And we know that one of the most important environments in a child's life is their school, since they spend so much time there. And really the health and well-being of the entire school community, which includes the students, their families, and the staff, is so important to the health of the children themselves. So on the screen, you will see our intentions or our agenda for today. We're going to start by exploring the WSC model and understanding how each role within the school environment plays a part in creating that culture of wellness. Then we're going to take a deeper dive into staff well-being, which is one element of the WSC model, and learn how staff wellness can support a positive school culture. And since we are all approaching the WSC model with our own unique roles, our own unique experiences and perspectives, I want you to keep in mind how you can bring this back to your school, your district, your department, your team, and given your experiences at that school. So first, we're going to do a little dive into what is the WSC model. And some of you might already be familiar with it, and that's great. And some of you, it might be a very new model, a new image that you haven't seen before, which is also great. So the WSC model was created in collaboration with the CDC, the Association for Supervision and Curriculum, and many key leaders from school health, public health, and the education fields. And the WSC model meets the need for greater emphasis on both the psychosocial and physical environments, as well as increases the role that community agencies and families play in improving childhood health behaviors and development. And we know that schools play a critical role in promoting the health and safety of the whole school community. So we want to offer the WSC model as a tool in your toolbox to create a culture of wellness that's going to support your students, your staff, and your families. And we're going to start by first deconstructing what is the WSC model. And the first thing that we notice about the WSC model is that the child is at the center. The ultimate goal is for students to be healthy, safe, engaged, supported, and challenged. And then as we kind of zoom out from that, you can see a blue ring followed by the yellow-orange ring. So in the blue ring, no matter what your role, you can play a part in creating that culture of wellness. And the WSC model emphasizes the role of staff and community in supporting students. and how all of these components come together can create that positive culture that connects health with academic achievement. And your role as a wellness champion, either at your school, your district, your agency, your community partner, lies kind of in that layer between the child in the green and the staff and services wrapping around the child in the blue. You're here to coordinate the policy, the processes, and the practices to ensure that this child is supported by the efforts of staff across your district. And the coordination of these kind of 3 Ps sets the foundation for a culture of wellness for your school or district. So as we saw from the chat, we have a lot of folks that are eager to work on different elements and might be coming at this from a different department or a different lens, right? And today we're going to focus specifically on the element of one element in the WSCC model and work through some experiential learning opportunities to give you tools and resources to bring back to your sites. So for the rest of our time, we're going to see how to impact employee wellness to build a more positive school culture. And I know that we do have some experiential learning, so I recommend and support you all using the chat to engage with us, and we'll be monitoring the chat as we go through this. But I also understand that some of you all might be coming home, commuting back from the office in your car. So if it is not safe for you to engage in the chat, please do not. But if you are able to do so, I would very greatly appreciate it.